Hi, tis me again. Welcome back. In this video, the creator that I want to introduce you to is DanTheLawnMan. Dan has shown me personal support. He supports all of the GirlzLawn social media accounts by constantly sharing, commenting, liking, and he just supports the overall mission of highlighting women in lawn care. I found his channel because I ran across the music parody video that he did about the lawn care nut, which is hilarious. You gotta watch that video. As I browsed his content, I found his style to be refreshing, and he and I kind of formed a really great connection from the first time we chatted. So I decided to invite him to be a guest on one of my live shows, and that was the beginning of a great friendship. It's evident that Dan enjoys sharing his lawn and business experiences with the community. The music parody videos are pretty fun to watch, and he did an epic video featuring the lawn care community, which was pretty cool. He provides additional content over on Instagram, so be sure to check him out there. After watching this video, swing on over to his channel and check it out for yourself, and don't forget to tell him that GirlzLawn sent you. Cheers, my friends. I'll catch you in the next video.